This is Joe from YoChicago.com. I'm in the Clarendon Park neighborhood in Uptown, looking out at Clarendon Park. Location is a sports lover's dream. Right across the street, there are basketball courts, tennis courts, a soccer field, softball, Clarendon Park Fieldhouse, and then directly across Lakeshore Drive, you have Lincoln Park and Montrose Harbor, great beach, golf course, short walk to the south, football fields, you name it. Terrific location. Panning around, looking down at Pet Bed and the model, which is apartment 1003. It's a northeast corner, 2-bedroom, 2-bath at 811. Now to the north, you can see you're a short walk from Weiss Hospital. And if you pan around to the west, you can see that you're close to the Wilson Avenue L stop and the great strip of bars, restaurants, and shops along Broadway. It's a great, bright, spacious living, dining, kitchen area. You have a tiered ceiling, which adds some character to the space as it drops down over the kitchen. It's pendant lighting. Breakfast Spire Island with a white quartz countertop. Great countertop opposite that. Stainless steel appliance package includes a 4-burner gas range hood. There's a dishwasher and an under-cabinet microwave. Wide farm-style sink with a gooseneck faucet and a spray attachment. Very attractive kitchen, and these windows just make it wonderful. Great room. Heading into the second bedroom and the guest bath. Designer lighting in the mirror. Again, quartz look counters, a deep soaking tub, rain shower head. Tandem entry into the second bedroom for that guest bath. Floor-to-ceiling windows. You have a flange window facing out to the west, where you'll have a sunset view. This bedroom is modeled with a king-size bed. And, of course, there's a closet. Heading toward the master suite. Master is modeled with a queen bed, space for furniture, and in an unusual touch, you have a third exposure. There's a window wall looking out to the south. 811 Uptown has a terrific suite of amenities. There's a sprawling pool deck, great fitness center, golf simulator, etc., etc., etc. Most lavish package of amenities that you're going to find in the Uptown neighborhood. Master bath has a wide walk-in shower with a rain shower head. Similar finishes to what you saw in the guest bath, including a bank of drawers for storage. As you would have entered the unit, you have a wide foyer where you could easily fit a hall console table. Coat closet off to the left as you continue into the unit. And full-size front-loading washer and dryer with space in the laundry closet for shelving. Something you don't always see. Continuing back into the unit. It's a great room. Great building. Everything new here. You really have to have 811 Uptown on your must-see list. Head to the building's website to see floor plans and near real-time rent and availability info.